Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for finding time to share your meditation practice with me. Today, we're going to focus on self-love and compassion. We often find it easy to offer our love, our compassion to others, but at the same time, we very often neglect giving ourselves that same compassion and love. Today we'll focus on sending love and compassion to ourselves. This meditation will guide you in sending the love and compassion you desire and deserve. It will bring you to your true loving self. Sit down, relax, on the floor or on a chair. Remember, you will remain in this position for a longer time, so make sure you feel comfortable. If you prefer to lie down, do it. However, if you are new to meditation, I would recommend to stay seated, as you are likely to fall asleep as your body relaxes during meditation. If you are seated, place your hands loosely on your laps. If you're lying, place your hands along your body with your palms up if you want to absorb or send out energy, or palms down if you prefer to feel grounded. If this sounds comfortable to you, close your eyes. If you prefer to keep them opened, relax your gaze 3-4 feet ahead of you. Keep your head up, chin slightly tucked. If you're sitting, make sure your backbone is straight. Now, notice your breath. Let your body fully relax. Take long breath in. Hold it. Take a long breath out. Let your breath become deep. Relax deeper with each exhale. Let your eyes relax. Let your jaw soften. Release any tension you feel in your neck and shoulders. Now notice your shoulders. Relax. Relax your arms, your forearms, your elbows, your wrists, your hands. Relax. Now notice your chest. Relax. Move your focus to your abdomen. Feel as it relaxes deeper with every exhale. Now notice your back. As you inhale, feel how the air floats down your back, relaxing every muscle. Feel your pelvis. Do you feel how relaxed it is? Now notice your legs and feet. Let the relaxation flow all the way down. Let go of anything you've been holding on to. And think, when was the last time you gave yourself the same love, the same compassion that you offer to others? Give yourself permission to do it now. Do it now. Allow yourself to think of caring for yourself as if you were a baby or a child that you hold in your hands with tenderness, with care, with love, while repeating those words to yourself: I love you. I'm here for you. I see you. I'm listening. Allowing this sensation of tenderness and care and love to grow within you. Allowing this feeling of tenderness and care and love to expand within you. Releasing any judgments, any old grudges that you hold against yourself. Releasing any judgments, any guilt or shame that you hold against yourself. There is no right and wrong. There is no good or bad. Releasing all judgments. Releasing all judgments. Connect with the love in your heart. Feeling that every part of you in the past, all you did since you were born until now, happened to achieve love. Feeling that every part of you in the past, all you did since you were born until now, happened to achieve love, happiness, to feel safe. Recognizing that you always did the best you could with the resources that you had, with what you knew, and recognize how far you've come. Feeling compassion to your journey. Sending compassion to your journey, just as you would to someone else's journey. Remembering that you are enough. remembering that you are already enough. Letting go of needing others for love, acceptance, recognizing that all the love and acceptance that you need is already within you. Nothing within you is missing. Nothing needs to change. Nothing is lacking. Letting go of the illusion of not being enough. Begin to return to your heart where joy, love, and peace reside. Recognizing your own sensitivity and vulnerability, sending love to all parts of you, supporting yourself for giving the space for love, for acceptance. Feel that infinite pool of love, as if someone wrapped you in a blanket of love and acceptance, a blanket of safety. Repeating the words, I love you, I love you, I love you. Recognizing that you deserve all the love that you have for you. Recognizing that there is an infinite pool of love within you. Recognizing that you are loved. I am love. I am love. I am love. Letting go of the thought that you need to search anything outside yourself. Let the sense of love and wholeness fill your entire being. Recognizing your own beauty, intelligence, all the gifts you have, all of the love you have to give. Now celebrate that with deep inhale. Slowly release the air. Slowly come back to your body. Begin to open your eyes if they were closed. Welcome back. I hope you feel the freedom that comes from feeling the love within you. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for sharing your meditation journey with me. Thank yourself for finding time to care for yourself, for you. If you wish to come back to more meditation, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions regarding this meditation or meditation in general, please leave a comment. Thank you. Namaste.